Hi everyone, in this video series I'm going to show you how to build your first exhibit. You'll see how to upload files into artifacts folders, create collections of work, then combine collections in an exhibit. Your finished exhibit will look something like this. Inside it will have two collections, each related to the subject of the exhibit. For the purposes of this tutorial, each collection will have only one piece of work. Here's what you will need to build your exhibit. 2 pictures, one for each collection tile. For best results, choose a picture with a landscape orientation. That is, one that is wider than it is high. A 3:2 ratio is ideal. You'll also need a piece of text related to the topic of your first collection. You'll be copying it into a special file called an Exibi doc. You will also need a picture to illustrate that text. Finally, you'll need a file related to the topic of your second collection. This can be any sort of file. The next slide will give you a list to which you can refer as you look for the files for your first exhibit. This is what Exibi will look like the first time you log in. You're going to start by bringing the files for your exhibit into one place, the Artifacts page in Exibi. For the purposes of a portfolio, an artifact is simply a piece of work, or a photo or video of something you've created or done. Let's make a folder for your artifacts. Open the Artifacts page. Click Add New Folder. Click Rename and type a name for your folder. I'm going to call mine Creative Writing. Click the Rename button. Now let's add a file to a folder. First you're going to open the folder. Either click the Open icon or click the name of the folder. Click Upload File. Click Attach File. Navigate to the file and double-click the file name. Click Done. If you want to, write a note about the file to help you remember what it is and possibly why you're including it in your portfolio. In this case, I'm just going to put a reminder that it's a book review in the form of a poem. Rather than upload another document, let's create one right inside the folder. You can do this using an Exibi doc. Click New Exibi doc and give it a name. Mine's going to be called Storm. Go to the text that you chose for your Exibi doc and copy and paste it in. Now click Save. The advantage of Exibi docs is that they open really fast in your collections, and they're also great for very young students who find it challenging to navigate to files on their computer. They simply create artifacts right in Exibi. Images are files, and you're going to upload them in the same way that you upload documents. You're going to start by uploading the image that illustrates the Exibi doc that you just made. Click Upload File. Navigate to the file that you want. In this case it's going to be the storm.jpg for me, and click Done. You're now going to upload the images for your tiles. Some teachers like to make a separate folder for these. I'll leave that up to you. If you wish, create a new folder and call it Tile Graphics. Upload your tile graphics to this new folder or to your original folder. Upload file, and mine is this one, and then upload the last collection tile, in this case that one, and click Done. In this video, you have learned that an artifact is a piece of work, and that digital artifacts come in a variety of formats. You have also learned to create an artifacts folder and upload files into it. Over time, you will create additional folders to store the work you select for your portfolio. An organized artifacts page like this will make it easy for you as you build collections and exhibits for your portfolio.